you fit it in here after. You just made it work. Got it.
I threw it in here because I don't want to buy another one until I get another. I'm getting 2 more 15s.
Okay. Nice. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Could you give me an info real quick with the door and window up? What's your name real quick and what's in here, man?
I'm Ricky West. This is the Raggedy Bitch. And there's 12 8s for Sendo UN. There's Rogue and Horn tweeters, 6 of each. I got 2 little ADM batteries. I got an MD8K, a Crescendo 2004, and a ESR1, which is the best money I ever spent. 2 15s, it's a Sundown U series and a custom box that I built for an extended cab truck. And that's a Kenwood Exelon 400-4 powered the tweeters.
Okay. So where's your port on the box?
It's on the back.
On the back? I'll see it after this.
It's to the hatch.
Okay. Awesome.
It's probably tuned, if I had to guess, like 27 or something.
Oh, tuned real low?
It's really low.
Okay.
But it plays high.
Okay.
It plays high better. I do more sound quality than
okay.
bass.
Yes, sir. Can I see the back? The box at all? Yeah. Where the port looks? Awesome. That sounds really clean
though.
though.
Just gotta push hard, that's it.
Oh, all right.
For some reason that door got high. You would think a door would fall.
Yeah.
That one raised up.
Really? Wow. Huh.
Might as well go ahead and get it all out. That's what a little Raggedy Bitch. Man, get better than that.
Awesome. Looks like it.
It's a 9Q box. I built it for a BXF 15 for the extended cab Dr. Cody.
Oh, so you fit it in here after. You just made it work. Got it.
I threw it in here because I don't want to buy another one until I get another. I'm getting 2 more 15s.
Okay. Nice. Thanks. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a Ricky system he was showcasing at the Made of Steel show in Tampa, Florida area of 2021. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. Pretty unique that he was able to fit a extended cab truck subwoofer box build inside of an SUV. And it made it work, got the job done until he has his full rebuild. I know he said he was going to be doubling his subwoofer cone area power. And I noticed that he actually had a ratchet strap holding the box down to keep it safe from moving around. And having the port facing back subs up is usually most optimal for SUVs. And also having the amplifier mounted outside of on the box helped keep from vibration issues. Of course, there's so many different ways of doing an install. Looked like he just got it thrown together real quick for the show to make it with the system instead of just coming of a spectator. So he did a good job. Shout out to you, Ricky. Also, if you notice the way he has a subwoofer box layout with the subwoofers up, he didn't have them inverted. The height of the box as well is because of it being an extended cab. If he had a custom personal box made for this SUV, I'm sure it would be a different variation. Anybody doing a system install in a concept like this, it's always best to mount your box down somewhere so it doesn't move. That actually will help your SPL score as well as be a little bit louder. Maybe somebody learned something there. So we're going to go ahead and get to the base demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day and enjoy this demo. All right. Just play something that has the most bass output that you've got. Something that you know is loud with bass.
Hours-Deorro.